Hey guys, today I am going to be sharing with you a detox drink that will help you burn fat and release toxins in your body. We are going to be starting out with a larger chunk of ginger. I am using my NutriBullet to mix these few ingredients together to start the juice portion of this drink. So I'm going to go ahead and put my peeled ginger in there. Then you're going to want a half a cucumber. Just cut it up into pieces so you can put it in your blender. Then we're going to take 1/4 of a pineapple, so I'm going to cut about here, just cut the edges off, and you're going to want to keep the center because that's where the bromelain is. It is an enzyme that breaks down fats and it helps you digest and get rid of all of the gunk in your belly. Add it to our cup over here. Some water to this so it helps it blend. Seconds will help break that down. Then you're going to want to get a 1 liter container because you're going to be drinking this throughout the day, and something to sift out all of the, I think almost dead, is it? Alright, so if your material turns out very fine like mine, you might want to grab a cheesecloth and drain all the juices out. So that's what I ended up doing. If you have a juicer, that would be great. I have one, but I didn't want to use it because this is just so little material I'm juicing right here. Also, you can use a blender and sift it to where maybe it's not so fine as mine in my NutriBullet. You're going to set this to the side, and you're going to want to wash with water and baking soda a lemon and orange, which I already washed here. And these we're just going to cut off the ends, and we're going to slice them. All of these ingredients help flush out fats and toxins from your liver and all your internal organs. They help heal your gut. They burn fat, boost metabolism. So all these ingredients together, drinking them throughout the day, will keep and continue that fat burning detox, the toxins coming out of your body. This is an organic lemon, so if you have seeds, you can take them out. Me, I don't take them out because they don't bother me. I don't drink them anyways. Go ahead and add your lemons to your mixture, and we're going to cut up our orange. Then all you add after that is your clean, fresh water. Fill it to 1 liter full. I'm not going to add ice to mine because you want to try to drink things at room temperature. Give it a little whirl. And there is your drink for the whole rest of the day. You can also add things like cayenne pepper or turmeric if you want to add some other medicinal benefits. Then you just drink this all throughout the day and it will help your body flush and detox and remove toxins and fat from your body. Let me know what you guys think after trying this for a week. If you guys notice a difference in how you feel, less bloating. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.